Fractions. Fractions and fractional numbers. Look at the given figure. In this figure, a strip has been divided into 9 equal parts. Out of these 9 equal parts, 4 parts have been shaded. Clearly, the shaded portion represents 4/9. In numeral, we denote it by 4/9, read as 4/9. Here, 4/9 is a fraction and 4/9 is a fractional number. Fractions on number line. Suppose we want to denote the fraction 4/9 on the number line. Take a line segment OA of unit length. Divide OA into 9 equal parts and take 4 parts out of it to reach the point D. Then, the point D represents the number 4/9. Some more examples are 1/2, 1/4.
Simplification.
Decimals.